Have you ever noticed that most people have money sitting in a bank, earning almost nothing? And they're not sure how to benefit from all the new technologies like AI and crypto and digital assets in a safe and structured way. Have you noticed that? Building an ecosystem that connects community, education, products, and technology all into one platform, so customers and partners don't have to figure out everything all by themselves. They've got a guide. And one of the most powerful parts of the ecosystem is how it uses AI finance, the technology that actively analyzes opportunities 24/7, and it can also execute real trades in real time, instead of money just sitting idle like it does in the bank. The idea is that your digital money and assets and your network can be connected to a smarter system and not just a static account. So there's really only two ways to connect with Aurum. Number one, you can become a customer and benefit from the entire ecosystem for $19.99 a year. Or you can also become a partner and earn by sharing Aurum and helping build local and eventually global AI finance networks. That's it. What would you prefer? Would you rather learn more about becoming a customer, a partner, or would you like to learn about everything?